Okay, so I've got a scrap bit of card. No, actually, it's a little canvas panel. I just chucked a bit of paint on it, put a coating on it, and let's see what we can come up with today. So it's very interesting. Okay, so let's get some. I'm going to go straight in with some.
Hey, welcome, thanks for stopping by. It's time to learn with our friend Clive. So grab
Yellow,
a brush,
because I think yellow is a good start. Let's get some yellow. Dumpty dumpty dum. So we've got Christmas coming up. I'm excited, going out for a Christmas dinner this year. I really am. So yeah, it's not something we normally do, is book a Christmas dinner, but that's what I got planned this year. So back in down in the bottom here with a little bit of yellow. There we go. I'm going to get a little bit of bread, blending that in as well. Wow, look at that. The reason I'm doing this is because I was just looking at the canvas and I'm thinking, yeah, I think we need to do some sort of a sunset-y type of painting today. So I'm just blending that in. That's like that. Just getting them colours. Let's get that yellow up there a bit more. Let's get a bit more yellow in there. There we are. Let's get that a bit more orangey. Ooh. Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. What a lovely looking sky. Let's get a little bit of white. I just want to brighten that up a touch there, like that. Just brighten that up a bit with a little touch of white. Wow, look at that. Washing the brush. Let's get a bit of, I got ultramarine blue, I think. Ultramarine blue. A little bit of ultramarine blue and white. There we are, let's just go down there. Ultramarine blue. Ultramarine blue. A little bit of crimson. Getting that colour there like that. And let's try and merge those two together. Just dumping in my brush. Blend them together like that. Nice, easy, soft, easy breezy splosh. Splosh. A splosh. Is there such a thing as a splosh? I don't know. Easy breezy lemon squeezy. There we go. Just getting a bit of that colour in the sky like this. Oh, look at that. We're developing this wonderful sky. Let's go back into some blue. Let's get that blue in the sky. Prussian blue is good for this, but this isn't Prussian blue, it's ultramarine blue, and that's all I've got on the canvas at the moment, on the palette, sorry, at the moment. So I'm only giving myself about 10 minutes to do this painting, so it's going to be a challenge, I think. Blending that down, just like that. Oh, look at that. What a wonderful background that is already. That is a wonderful background. So, I'm going to just go in with straight into some white. Put in a few clouds in. Get a brush, little brush, little brush. Blending that in like this. Wow, look at that. Let's put some more in. Just getting a little bit of detail on the edge of these clouds. Just like that. Get in the other brush. Let's just blend in the bottom now. Get rid of those sharp edges, but leave a little bit of that fluffiness in there. Just catching a little bit of light. There we go. I don't know what I'm doing for time. I'm hoping I'm not going to go over the 10 minutes that I got planned, but who knows. Anyway, is that good enough, I wonder? Let's get a few clouds down. Down here like this. A little brush. Blending all in together like this. More detail on there. Ooh, wow, that's nice. I like that. Okay. Bit of black. Do. a wonderful Halloweeny, what it is now, a wonderful Halloweeny type of scene there. There we go. Let's just put a little bit of light down there, just like this. Oh, just a little bit, just a little bit. A little bit of, there we go.
Welcome, thanks for stopping by. It's time to learn with our friend Clive.
Hope you like that. So yeah, very quick. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next Friday. Bye bye.
And don't forget to click subscribe.